Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take long screenshots on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that you need to do is use one of the methods to take the screenshot. Of course, there are three by default. That is the power button and volume down button. Or you can just swipe with your three fingers down like so. Or you can use the quick access button over here. So let me actually just swipe. And then once you take the screenshot, over here on the left side you have scroll. If you press this button, then you can scroll through the content in order to capture as much as you want. So in this case, we're gonna open Google app, as it has lots of articles that we can scroll through. So we're gonna swipe, then press scroll, and there we go. Now we can keep scrolling, or we can press auto scroll in order to capture as much as we want. So let's say I want to capture to this point over here, and then I can press done. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. Over here we can press this screenshot in order to see the preview, and as you can see, it is quite long. We can scroll through everything just as I captured. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.